Hi and welcome to another Type with me. In today's episode I want to talk about CSS Mediaqueries Light and Dark mode. And I'm very excited for that. So in this video I want to show you the feature Prefers Color Scheme, which is a new feature within the browsers so that you can match certain color schemes, dark mode versus light mode, into your CSS, right? So when a person has made his mind and said, yeah, I want to open my browser in a dark mode, well, it would be nice that all the websites are dark mode enabled and also changed their CSS to have something better for their eyes. Like for example, this Visual Studio Code, it's in dark mode. So the background is dark and the color and the and all these are in white, right? The normal font, the normal text is in white, right? So that's great. So you can very easily check that if that's available in your browser by doing this check in JavaScript with if window.matchMedia prefers color scheme dot media different from not all. And then we can say console.log dark mode is enabled or is supported. One of the things that I'm very curious about is what is in that object. So I'm also gonna do a console log for that. Here we go. And then of course I prepared some CSS. So in the CSS I have font family, I have a background which is white smoke, then I have a color which is gray, and then of course in the light mode again I'm gonna see if I can put something else in there. Maybe I'm gonna put just black to make a little bit more contrast, right? So then we have our prefers color scheme dark, and then we have our preferred color scheme light, right? And here we have our background color white and our color, which is this value, right? And then our H1 will have a slightly different color, and also here for our H1 we have our lemon chiffon, which is a little bit of yellow, right? Smoothly, softly, lemony like yellow, right? So it's that easy to do so. So let's go and look into how we could debug this into our browser, right? So when we go to our Chrome browser, you will see here that dark mode is supported. It doesn't print out our happy hat kind of emoji. I don't know why, but okay. Then we have here our media query object, and then you see here that we have matches, which is true, and then media prefers color scheme, which is great, right? So you could also listen to on change and so on to see when somebody changes the mode of your page, right? So that's nice. So next thing that I want to show you is how can you debug this, how can you test this properly very easily within your DevTools. Well, we can do so by just pressing Command Shift P, and then we can do show rendering. When I click on it, you will see here that we have some options, right? And if we go down, you can see that we have something like enable CSS media type, where we have print and screen, which is already great when you want to emulate, for example, your print CSS. You can do so as well within this property or options, right? But of course you want to do emulate CSS media feature prefers color scheme, and if we go here, you can see if we go to light, well, we have some kind of difference there. Also, if we go to dark, you already see that he changes it to dark, and yeah, you see here that each one has some kind of yellowish and lemon yellow color, and of course the background is dark because we put it into CSS that it needs to be dark, of course. So this is a great feature to test it out. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you gonna work with it and provide this kind of feature into your websites, because you can, and it's very important in my opinion for mobile devices, because of course, like I said, it will help for your users that they don't gonna use a lot of battery, right? Battery saving is a great one for dark mode. And of course, when somebody wants to put it into their preferences of the browser, they get a great dark mode experience. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video if you like this and you learn a lot of it. It means a lot for me, and share it on Twitter or on social medias as well. So thank you very much. See you next time.